What is going on, everybody? This is your boy Kinetic, back at it again with another video for you guys. Today we'll be looking at the recording of my VOD a couple months ago of my Alice build. It's from Switch Couture, the Bifrost Radiant Alice. These switches are cherry housings with Kailh Pro Burgundy stems, and the modifiers are Gateron Inks bottom with cherry top and UHMWPE stems. And I'll be typing on cherry Keycaps from Kinetic Labs. It's from their Polycaps product line. Alright, let's look at the stabs. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I also stream every Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Arizona time. All my socials are at Kinetic. Thanks.